This is a brand new bathroom cleaner. Next, let me introduce the specific functions of the machine to you. This is our high-pressure water gun. Turn on the high-voltage switch to adjust. 70 kilograms maximum pressure. Efficient retrieval. This is our potion gun. Press the white button and start spraying. This is an absorbent rake head. The large rake head has a wide contact area. Speed up water absorption. Quickly dry the ground. This is a steam gun. The steam spray plays a role in disinfection. And finally, the dry rake. This drying rake head can be used in the gap where the large rake head cannot suck. Hot air comes out of the rake. It can quickly dry water stains in the gap. The above are the specific functions of the bathroom cleaning machine. This cleaning machine can be used in hotel rooms, property bathrooms, large commercial super high-speed service stations, and other crowded places. One machine can save 3 devices. Simple operation by one person. Convenient and reliable.